the 2018 Cadillac CT6 is a more advanced semi-autonomous driving system. To start the system, there's going to be a gray icon that appears in the instrument cluster. And once it holds, so right now there's a lot of merging traffic, there's a lot of on-ramps that are coming in. I'm going to move over, see if that does anything. So all you do is press the button. The icon turns green, and this bar on the steering wheel turns green. That tells you that the system is activated. And hands off the steering wheel. And like any adaptive cruise system, it'll maintain whatever gap you set with the car in front of you, which can now, the difference with Super Cruise is that it reads your eyes and your head position by this camera that's mounted on the steering wheel. So if I were to read the newspaper and block the camera, or if I were to be down here in my phone, if it sees that I'm not looking up at the road, it'll flash green. As soon as I look back up at the road, it'll go solid. That means you're cool. Other systems, and we got a car merging right in front of us, reads it just fine. Other systems, if it notices that you're not paying attention, it'll flash red and it'll say you have to grab the wheel. So right now that's what it's saying for us. There was a lane merge or something else was going on. So now we're in command of the car. As soon as it can be read again, that icon will appear. The other thing about Super Cruise that's different than other systems, it is meant only for the freeway and highways. So apparently GM has mapped out all 130,000 miles of interstate. Alright, our icon was there, now it's gone. There it is again. System is activated. We're hands-free. So if I'm to look away, it'll flash green. If I still don't pay attention, it'll go to red. And as soon as it goes to red, I have to take over. And red will be followed by a series of beeps and chimes and voice reminders.